Have you ever wondered why your skin sometimes looks older than you feel? Why fine lines seem to appear out of nowhere, or why your tone looks uneven even when you're trying your best? Most people chase new products instead of understanding the science. So today, we're breaking that cycle. Welcome to Health Studio. Your subscriptions are a great help in our production. We're diving into 5 science-backed skincare principles that actually slow aging, not trends, not hype, but ingredients with real evidence. Let's get into the truth, step by step. 1. The first and most powerful tool: daily sunscreen. If your goal is long-term anti-aging, nothing even comes close to sunscreen. People underestimate how powerful sunlight is in aging the skin, not because they don't know UV rays are harmful, but because they don't realize how constant that damage is. UV exposure affects your skin even on cloudy days, even indoors through windows, even during short walks. Every exposure contributes to microscopic DNA damage, collagen breakdown, deeper wrinkles, and age spots. And the clinical evidence is overwhelming. People who applied sunscreen every day, even without adding anything else to their routine, saw improvements in discoloration, texture, and overall radiance after months of consistent use. If your skin is paler, sunscreen slows wrinkling and fading sunspots. If your skin is deeper toned, sunscreen reduces uneven pigmentation and protects your barrier from chronic irritation. Think of sunscreen as your long-term insurance policy. Before you invest in a single serum, this is the foundation. 2. The second essential tool: retinoids, the renovators of your skin. If sunscreen prevents the damage, retinoids repair the damage. Retinoids, including retinol and retinaldehyde, are molecules that encourage your skin to behave more youthfully. They stimulate collagen production. They speed up healthy turnover. They fade discoloration. They smooth rough patches. They slow collagen breakdown. They're one of the few topical ingredients that dermatologists consistently recommend because decades of research support their effects. They don't work instantly, they work progressively. Think of them as architects, helping rebuild the internal structure of your skin layer by layer. Prescription strength forms are the strongest, but over-the-counter versions can still deliver meaningful improvements with regular use. Consistency is more important than strength. Fast results should never come at the cost of irritation, because irritation itself accelerates aging. With sunscreen protecting your skin from new harm and retinoids repairing older harm, you now have 2 pillars of real anti-aging. The next step is resurfacing and hydration. 3. The third scientifically backed strategy: alpha hydroxy acids, AHAs. Glycolic acid and lactic acid play a unique dual role in skin health. They gently dissolve the bonds between dead skin cells, allowing fresh new cells to appear on the surface. This alone creates smoother texture, brighter tone, and better absorption of everything else you apply. But the benefits don't stop there. At appropriate concentrations, especially lactic acid above certain thresholds, AHAs can improve deeper layers of the skin, increasing thickness and hydration over time. They also act as humectants, pulling in water and helping your skin maintain flexibility and bounce. For people with rough texture or dullness, AHAs can feel like a reset button. The key, again, is consistency and moderation. Used correctly, AHAs make the skin more receptive, not more sensitive. Now that we've addressed protection, repair, and resurfacing, let's add something that strengthens your skin's resilience. 4. The fourth underestimated hero: niacinamide. Niacinamide works quietly but powerfully across almost every skin type. It reduces redness. It improves your moisture barrier. It calms inflammation. It regulates pigment transfer. It increases hydration and helps your skin stay balanced. People often overlook this ingredient because it doesn't give dramatic overnight results. But its long-term impact is visible and clinically supported. If your skin is easily irritated, niacinamide helps it recover. If your skin is uneven, niacinamide smooths and brightens. If you're dealing with dryness or redness, it helps restore balance. Think of it like emotional support for your skin, keeping it stable so stronger ingredients like retinoids can do their job without overwhelming it. With sunscreen, retinoids, AHAs, and niacinamide, you already have a powerful evidence-based routine. But there's one more scientifically supported ingredient we need to talk about, one that brightens, protects, and supports collagen. 5. The fifth proven category: vitamin C, especially well-formulated ascorbic acid. Vitamin C is famous, but often misunderstood. The most studied form, ascorbic acid, can brighten dark spots, improve uneven tone, and support collagen production. It also protects your skin from oxidative stress, the damage caused by pollution, UV rays, and daily environmental exposure. But here's the tricky part. Ascorbic acid only works when the formula is stable, at the right pH, and protected from oxidation. That's why combinations like vitamin C, vitamin E, ferulic acid are so effective. They strengthen each other. With the right formulation, vitamin C doesn't just brighten, it helps your skin defend itself from the stress that accelerates aging. Not all products deliver these benefits, but when you choose wisely, vitamin C can elevate your entire routine. And now you have all 5 of the science-backed pillars: protection, rebuilding, renewal, strengthening, brightening. These strategies work together in a way trends never could. Aging isn't something you fight once, it's something you manage wisely every day. Sunscreen protects your future skin. Retinoids rebuild your past skin. AHAs renew the surface. Niacinamide strengthens the system. Vitamin C brightens and shields. Simple, evidence-based, consistent. This is Health Studio. Subscribe, like, and turn on the bell for more daily insights on health, habits, and longevity.